Hi, this is going to be a presentation over the final packet tracer activity within the CCNA Cisco Learning Discovery Guide for Home and Small Business. In this activity, what I'll be doing is covering how to troubleshoot a wireless network. I'm using Cam Studio as a recording tool and the Cisco Packet Tracer the Cisco Packet Tracer program that can be downloaded off the Cisco Academy website. In this particular packet tracer activity, we have a network already set up using different PCs, Linksys router, and then the internet cloud, which includes miscellaneous hardware components such as routers, cables, hubs, and switches. And the scenario for this is if a small business owner comes up to you and says one of the wireless connections isn't accessing the network appropriately. And for this activity, what we'll want to do is start by clicking on PC4. A box will pop up, choose the desktop option and then the web browser, and then we'll go through each of these PCs to see if they can access the web server. So we'll go ciscolearn.more.com. This sometimes takes a minute. And from that we see that PC4 is working. We'll do the same thing for PC3. Again, that's working. PC2 is working. And PC1 is taking an unusually amount of time to try to connect to the web server. So we know that PC1 is the computer that's having issues. What we can do from here is go into the command prompt by left-clicking PC1 and then choosing the desktop tab and the command prompt option. We can use the ipconfig/all command to view the IP settings. Here we have the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server. Those all look appropriate. So we'll go ahead and close this for now. We'll go into we'll left click on PC1 again, go into the config tab and then the wireless tab, and here we'll take note of what kind of security it's got, as well as the SSID and the key. The SSID is Academy, it's using WEP, and the key phrase is ABD123DE45. And then we'll go into the Linksys router settings, and then we'll go into the GUI option. From here we can select wireless, and we'll go into the wireless security. Wait, let's go back to the wireless really quick. All that looks right. Then we'll go to the wireless security, and we'll notice here that it is using WEP, but right here the security key is different from that of the client PC1. So what we need to do is click PC1 and then go into the config wireless settings and change the ABD123DE45 to ABC. And then the SSID and the Linksys router SSID both match, so we don't need to change anything there. Then we'll go ahead and close this, and we'll check to make sure that the settings are right. We will left click PC1, go to web browser, type in that address again, and voila, we have fixed the problem. As a quick recap, what we did here was troubleshoot wireless network problems by using the ipconfig command. We also checked the security settings, the SSID, and the security key. This concludes the final presentation for the Packet Tracer 11 within the CCNA book. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this video.